Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Defiant Electronic Deadbolt step by step. So if your keypad is not responding, you forgot the programming code or the lock keeps flashing the red light, the factory reset can usually restore the lock back to the default settings. So that's why resetting it becomes really helpful. So in order to reset it, first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply remove the battery cover. So when you remove the battery cover, inside it you are going to see a reset button. Now in some of the models you will also see it with the name program button or a small black RES switch inside the battery compartment. So whichever button you see inside the battery compartment, you just have to do nothing but to simply press that particular button, and you need to hold it for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Now after doing so, the lock should beep, flash or move the deadbolt automatically once the reset starts successfully. So after resetting, you just have to simply give the direction process again to the lock. So you just have to basically do that. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.